how to set up your own tax rules on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings and then click tax, and as you see here you will find tax settings. Now all you need to do, just go to this one here, set up your own tax rules, and then click edit, and that's it. Here you can manage it, manage here any new ones, and then go back. It will be saved. Just click save here and go back. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.